Wow. Yes, it is. I'm ready. Brake. Oh, you nailed that. Perfect. Yes. You nailed it perfect. All right, what's up, guys? Aaron from Great Lakes RC. I got the Talion XL out. I've been having trouble breaking rod ends on this truck, and the front shocks, I can't even remember what I have in here anymore for springs, but I might have to change the springs because I'm not getting the rebound I want. But anyway, it's been a while since I had this out. My son Cam's on the Terminator, and we've got the gigantor ramp out. Brake, gas. Ooh. You need to see it, right? You need to like be on the side, bud. We don't use this ramp a lot because it's very difficult to get out. You really use that. Ooh, you use the KCRC ramp the most. Whoa. This truck is not turning. Huh. Woo. Woo. So I recently drove my Sledge XL. Yeah, it does not want to turn to the left. I don't know why. I recently drove my Sledge XL, so this is the perfect counterpoint to it. Watch out, bud. Whoa. All right. Hey, you got to move back. Whoa. Where are you going? That's the other part of this ramp, is it gets a little dangerous because you launch so high up. Oh, we're also, now I remember why I don't use this ramp a lot. Okay, right. So my son wanted the little ramp out. Now the other issue is the sun's right in our face. I'm just striking out, making videos lately. Trying to make lots of videos for the channel, make better videos for the channel. Really trying to grow the channel a little bit, and the problem is I don't have brand new trucks all the time. That's how you get views. Well, I mean, there's more than one way you get views, right? You have brand new trucks, you have very good editing, and I don't know, maybe you're more exciting. Maybe I'm not exciting enough. Maybe I don't do big enough air. So, I've been trying. And it seems like whenever I think I have a really good video, stuff's getting in the way of it, and it's becoming a little bit frustrating. So that's my rant. Let's go back here. Nice. Woo! That worked good. One thing about the big ramp, you do catch some mighty big air off it. Brake. Nice. You're getting the hang of it. Wow. Yes, it is. It's higher than the house.
I think I have 140.
All right, you ready for even higher? It's a big ramp and I'm going fast. Did I break it? I might have broke it. That wheel's looking not so happy. Well, I have to say, the steering on the Sledge is better. Now, that could be because I've got that old school servo saver in there. It just does not want to turn left. Yeah, it doesn't want to turn left, but then, I mean, you got plenty, so it's got to be the servo saver. And it kind of kicks off the end of my ramp there too, so it's kind of a bummer. That's another reason why I haven't been using this ramp, is it doesn't launch the longer trucks good. Double!
Dad, are you ready? Go to the end of the glass, but don't go on the sidewalk.
Okay, come over here. Right over here. All right. Try to get a different angle on it here. Woohoo! Yeah, 6'8". Okay, go back over there. I'm gonna do it from right behind here. All right, let's get as much space as we can. All right, here we go. Woo! Pretty sure I lost that one in the sun too. Nice. All right. I think that's some good launches. I got to put a different servo saver in here, just so I can tighten it up. That would be the biggest difference, I think, between the Talion XL and the Sledge XL. Power system wise, I got the Talion XL dialed in. Steering though, I don't. So let's see real quick. I can show you guys, it's been a while. I can show you guys what is powering this thing. All right, so I got a Savox servo in here. And then this is a BLX. I can't remember the number. It was out of the Nero. When they got rid of the Nero, they put all of the motor and the ESC, they put it on ridiculous sale. I don't even remember what I got it before, but I remember I picked up a couple. This is pretty scorching hot. And then this is an RC Juice, a 4082 1600 kV motor. This is a really good in-between type motor. The 92, I really like the 4092. That one you can get in a 1700 kV, but this one's really good in 1600 kV. Everything is very hot. Cables are hot. ESC's hot. Motor's hot. I got it geared up pretty high. Tons of M2C on this thing. You obviously have to create this with the Mojave chassis, and then some Talion shocks, Talion shock towers, and yeah, M2C motor mount. That's pretty much it. Hopefully you guys enjoyed the large jumps off the big ramp, and we'll catch you next time.